Today I'm going to share a story of a man named David Goggins. He's a Navy SEAL and athlete. Before I move forward, I want to let you guys know that after listening to his story, you guys will be loaded with motivation. Let's start with his childhood. He suffered a lot. David Goggins was born in Feb 17, 1975. In 1981, Goggins lived in New York with his parents and brother. When he was 6 years old, he worked alongside with his mother and brother at his father's bar. Goggins and other members of his family suffered and were abused by his alcoholic father. He was very bad at school. He got suspended from school so many times. He was lazy, overweighted, has no goal in life. One day Goggins was working as a pest control fumigator. It was a busy day and the store he cleaning was filled with cockroaches. He got mad and said, "I don't want to live my life this way." Then the next day when he was watching TV, he saw how people are going through Hell Week to get selected for Navy SEAL. By the way, let me tell you guys what is Hell Week. The toughest mental and physical challenge of the Navy SEAL program is called Hell Week, which is 130 hours of continuous training day and night. Very few can survive this training. Now because David was tired from his life, so he decided, I will become a Navy SEAL. But when he decided he was overweighted, he went to Navy SEAL's office to fill out an application, and the officer laughed at him, said, "You're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it." Because Navy SEAL training was about to start in 2 months. He had to lose a lot of weight to get into the Navy training. He was 297 pounds and had to lose 106 pounds in 2 months, which is next to impossible. But he said, "I will do it. I can lose 106 pounds in 2 months." He started running. The first day after running just half a mile, he was dying. He was literally dying. Then the next day he ran 1 mile and then 3 miles, little by little, doing running in the morning, gym training in the afternoon, and cycling in the evening. He finally lost 106 pounds in 2 months. That's crazy. The officer who laughs at him was completely surprised by his transformation. Now it was time for SEAL training, Hell Week, the toughest mental and physical challenge of the Navy SEAL program. He failed on his first attempt because he got injured very badly, but he tried again and failed again. Goggins was learning from his failures, which is why he never gave up. He passed on his third attempt. Pushing his limits was now become his habit. In 2005, Goggins entered in the San Diego one-day 24-hour ultra marathon. This was his first race. He was almost about to die during this race, but this person still completed this race. He was able to run 101 miles in 19 hours and 6 minutes. Then after that, he ran and completed so many dangerous races like Hunt 100 and Badwater. You can Google them. They're like literally so dangerous. One day he decided, I want to break pull-up record. But everyone around him, his friends and family, you'll not be able to do this, Goggins, because your body structure is not good enough to beat pull-up record. But he didn't listen. He tried, first attempt, fail very badly. Everyone was laughing at him, but he did not listen. Second attempt, he failed again. But he learned from his mistakes. He did it in first 2 attempts. Third attempt, he did it. In 2013, he completed 4,030 pull-ups in just 17 hours and 45 minutes, which sets a new Guinness World Record. At that time, everyone was again shocked how he did it. Just want to remind you guys, he was very bad at school. He got suspended from school so many times. He was lazy, overweighted, has no goal in his life. But because he learned how to control his mind by pushing himself physically. Guys, if you want to learn how you can control your mind and achieve whatever you want, I'm going to leave the link to this book, Can't Hurt Me, in the description. Go and read it. If this video filled you up with motivation, then don't forget to smash this like button. And I will see you guys in the next one very soon. Till then, peace.